my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen.
Hi guys, do you remember when Umnisi gave us this? I'm gonna put a video here. Kindly please listen to the video, and if you listen to what Umnisi is saying in that clip and then combine that with what is happening currently in court. But I don't think Makimbi is the witness that Mnisi was referring to. I think if possible, that witness will still come to court. The person that traveled with Simpiwe Buthelezi is still going to come to court and tell the court what happened when Gininda and his team of investigators arrived. I want you to think about that. And the other thing that I want you to also remember is that those points that Umnisi counted there, they are very scary, because if Simpiwe Buthelezi was sick and was released in jail, was released under parole, medical parole, and was not okay mentally, and we don't know mentally and physically now, because those are the details that I am interested to know. If he was not okay mentally, let's say from mentally to physically, how serious was that situation? Those are the details that I, as Umatikela, is actually interested in, because do you know what that means about Gininda and his team? They are evil. They will be the most evil people if they can do that. And I hope the defense is not only going to call Makimbi, they will call the person who accompanied Simpiwe to Pretoria, and also call the medical person that dealt with Simpiwe, or call the prison that Simpiwe was released from, to come and tell the court why did they release Simpiwe, how was his situation. And then we also need a medical report, and the medical person that dealt with Simpiwe shortly before he died. We need to know, how did he die? What was happening? Those are the things that I am interested in, because I don't think Gininda should be getting away with all of that. What are your thoughts when it comes to that? Let's talk comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Now, there is information that this court is going to receive. There's actually a witness that this court, that would come and tell this court certain information. However, because of security reasons, we would request that his identity should not be disclosed now.
Yasho kunomfakazi ke othizeni ke ozofika lenkantolo atshele inkantolo malana nofakazi bakhe obulandelayo ke, kepha ngembangela izokhuza ngoba ngesizathu sokuthi akhuseleke ke uyacitha igama lalomfakazi bangalikhulumi manje.
But very surely, when time is ripe and when time comes for that witness to be called, I don't know whether it's a he or she. You know, sometimes these days there are people that they are our brothers and sisters that are referred to as they. You see. So I'm not so sure whether this is a he or she or a they, but whoever that they are, when time comes, that person will come and tell the court the following.
Uyasho khona nje ukuthi akanaso isiqiniseko ukuthi ngabe umuntu wesimame noma umuntu wesilisa ke lona ke, kepha ke yasho ukuthi uma sekufika isikhathi esilungile noma isikhathi esikahle, lo muntu ozofika atshele inkantolo lokho kulandelayo.
Number one, that Simpiwe, that this person knows Simpiwe Buthelezi.
Okokuqala ukuthi lo muntu lona ke yasho ukuthi uyamazi uSimpiwe Buthelezi.
Number two, that this person knows that Simpiwe Buthelezi had been serving a sentence in a jail at KZN.
Futhi umuntu uyosho ukuthi uSimpiwe Buthelezi kade ke angaphansi kwesigwebo kwintilongo yase KZN amajele ngaphansi kwejele lase KZN.
Number three, that when he was serving, he got afflicted mentally, and then they had to place him on a mental parola. In other words, they had to take him because of his mental challenges to go and serve his sentence at home. That is number 3.
futhi kwesithathu ngesikhathi lesi kade ngaphansi kwesigaba sakhe ngaphansi kwejele laseKZN kulawa thola khona ukugula malana nezomcabango malana nokumcabango futhi emuva kwalokho ke kwamphoqa ukuthi ahambe aqede isigaba sakhe ngaphansi lapho ekhaya.
Number 4. While so serving his sentence at home as a result of that fact that he was released in a mental condition, a team of investigators then arrived where Simphiwe Buthelezi was staying, including yourself.
Futhi ke iphuzu lesi4 ukuthi khona ke njalo ngesikhathi lesi kade aqedela isigaba sakhe elapho ke ekhaya ke ngoba ngembangela ukuthi wathola ke uphazamiseka malana nezomcabango wakhe noma ungaphili kahlehle wena ke futhi neqembu lakho ke nafika lapho ke kukhaya lakhe noma kubo.
And indeed, you wanted to have a conversation with him. However, due to the fact that you could observe, when I say you, I mean the collective, the police, they could observe that his understanding of issues mentally was challenged. You then requested, when I say you again, I mean as a collective, you then requested this person that I am referring to as either a they, he or she, to accompany him with you to Pretoria, where you were to come and take his statement.
Ngemuva ukuthi uboneke ukuthi umlisa lona akaphilile kahlehle wena ke neqembu lakho ke ngizosho ngithi wena ke futhi neqembu lakho ohamba nalo ke nacela lo muntu lo akade akukhuluma ngakuthi akazi ukuthi umuntu wesilisa noma umuntu wesimame noma umuntu mhlawumbe wayishintsha ke ubulili bakhe ke uthi zeni aphelekeze kweSimphiwe lona ke qhamuka lapho ekhaya nize nifince la ePitori.
Now number 6, you personally, no, let me not say personally, because I don't know where the money came from, whether it came from the slush fund, whether it came from your own pocket or whatever, I don't know. But then the team that was led by you then decided to buy a cell phone for this Simphiwe Buthelezi. For whatever reason, this person will not know.
Wena ke futhi ashuthi wena ke mathupha kepha wona iqembu lakho ke noma nathi akazi imali mhlawumbe nayithola kuphi ke mhlawumbe ngaphansi kofana noma imali enayikhipha emakhuphini enu ke nathatha isinqumo sokuthi nithenge ke umakhala ekhukhwini nithengele koSimphiwe.
And number 7.
6.
Is it 6, my lord?
Yeah,
Thank you, my lord. Now number 6. Excuse me?
It's 7.
I think it's 7.
Okay.
Yes. Now number 7. This person knew Simphiwe very well.
Kuphuzu lesikhombisa ke lo muntu ke kade amazi uSimphiwe nje kakhulu.
Just there are 7 points which I have mentioned, and the reason why I decided to mention them as a collective is because I did not want any of them to elude my mind in their sequence. You see, you can comment if you want to comment. Thank you.
Atungaphendula ke.
To survive, I'll be on.